Aló, 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 people, ¿cómo estamos? Bienvenidos. Bienvenidos a su stream favorito, to your favorite stream, guys. I'm supposed to be live in YouTube, but I don't see. Oh yes, I'm live. Oh wow, that's good. Quality is pretty nice. It looks nice, it looks nice. I like it. We are supposed to be live in... Hello King, I was watching your previous stream. Hi bro, how are you? My previous stream was pretty short. I was like, yeah, I didn't have too much time, but yeah, here we are. How are you? How are you, bro? How is my people? Oh yeah, I'm live in X2. Oh, wow, it's the first time that I live stream on X. This will be pretty nice. Oh, the quality across platforms is pretty nice. I like it. Now the thing is, I don't know the comments. How to see comments or anything in all the other platforms, so I will have to open small windows of the chats so I can see the different chats on different platforms. Because this Streamlabs just is doing nothing. He's doing nothing, so I am pretty much blind. I don't know. I don't know why, but it's fine. Okay guys, so today is day for TopCars, of course. So let's build. I already fixed some of the oh, this one also has pop-up chat. Wow, this is nice. So if I close this keeps working. Hi everyone. Testing from Twitter. From X. It works. I'm fine, King. I'm currently making some changes to my $1 million application. Oh wow, what's your $1 million application, bro? Tell me about it. I love to hear ideas. What is your idea about? I was watching your previous stream for inspiration so I could create a quality product. Don't lie to me. You were stealing my ideas and my code and my brain, motherfucker. But no worries, take it. Go and build, bro. Go and build. So okay, so what do we have here? I was working on the plane. I had a quick flight yesterday and I was working during the flight, so I was fixing some of the issues that we had in the last session. I had the backlogging here, so the swipe, this is already fixed. How can I translate this into a to-do list? I think we can do that, right? Yes. Turn into a bulleted list. No, I cannot. It's fine. This one is already fixed. This one is already fixed. Show more should then be shown in grid view. This already fixed. Minimum price per art and galleries in set price view. Okay, this is missing still. Let's do that. I was using Codex because Cloud Code was not the best. Let's see if it's already working well, because I was working on it and it was just messy and I didn't like it. So let's reset this session. Add a minimum $3 price to set price view, and if user tries to hit save with a lower amount, it should show an error below the price input with caption 12, error color style. Also max is 99. I always have more than one people watching my stream because I see the stats, but I cannot see who is the other person or the other people that never say, "Hi, bro, how are you?" It's just a ghost. Somewhere we have a fan. Someone is watching us without saying hi, hello. Error text for price, nice, already added. Show error, price, minimum price, return price. Nice, should work. Which AI do you use? Reginald Cole. We are using Cloud Code and sometimes ChatGPT with Codex. I have Codex in here, sometimes I use it, and most of the time I use Cloud Code because I have the $100 subscription and I need to use it. But sometimes the Cloud Code is just a dump and I need to use ChatGPT for some reason. But yeah, most of the time Cloud Code is so expensive to not using it, so I try to use as much as possible. That one. Okay, this is already finished. Let's see if this thing works, compiles. It's very close, guys. It's very close to the final implementation. I already got the prices, the stats, the set price. This is already working. This is already working. I still need to create this second tab for the gallery view for the receipt, so the creator can see who purchased their art. And I need to add it to the art as well. It's the same screen. And then I don't think I've tested the gallery set price view. Yeah, no, I've not tested the galleries. I tested the art and it's working. And then I need to test the purchase flow, and that's pretty much it. And these price badges, these are different now because they have the actual price. Or I don't remember. I need to see, I need to check. I don't remember. Let me see, my profile is supposed to have some, okay, yeah, it has a price, payment fail. It's not working. Payment configuration error, can only apply an application fee amount when the payment intent is attempting a direct payment using node key, transfer destination, payment configuration error. Okay, this is from Stripe. So let's see why is happening. That's backend, so let's try on the backend side. I'm getting this error when trying to create an art order. Okay, let's check the other changes. So that's already working. The show all is already working because this is my gallery. I can see the stats on my gallery. I can delete the gallery as well. This is another picture. Okay, the gallery, I made a change today, so I can swipe. Oh, nice, 9 photos in the gallery, so I should be able to swipe them all. 5, 6. Okay, these are not working. When I swipe arts on the art display view that are outside the original array bounds of the gallery arts from the SDUIs. From the arcs, I'm getting blank screen. The art should be okay. The whole point when you're using AI is to create the best possible prompt to get the best possible result. You already guys know that. So today I want to try a tool that I found, which is CloudMem, and this library to have permanent memory on cloud, because right now it's the problem that I'm getting is that it keeps resetting some of the settings that I give it to it, like the indentation or the context of the libraries that are in the project. So I need permanent memory, and this is supposed to be a tool to create a permanent memory for Claude. So I wanna try it out. Oh man, today the heat today is worst. Let me turn on the vent. Because I am gonna die, guys. I am fucking gonna die with this heat. Hopefully you don't hear the vent. Let me know if you hear something in the background other than the music. Okay, so how this works: install the single command on a single, or install for Gemini CLI, or install from plugin marketplace. Where is my mouse here? Or install from the plugin marketplace inside Cloud Code. Restart Cloud Code or Gemini CLI. Context from previous sessions will automatically appear in new sessions. CloudMem is also published in NPM, Open Cloud Gateway. Context survives across sessions. Progressive disclosure, layered memory retrieval, token cost visibility. Query your project history with mem search skill. Web viewer UI, real-time memory stream. Oh, nice. Cloud desktop skill, search memory from cloud desktop conversations. It looks nice. Search, timeline, get observations. How it works. Cloud use MCP tools to search your memory. Start with search to get an index of results. Use timeline to see what has happening around specific observations. Use get observations to fetch full details of relevant IDs. 10 times token savings by filtering before fetching details. It looks nice. Fuck it, let's use it. What's the worst thing that could happen? Successfully added. Why this was disconnected? I am using Amplitude. I don't know if you guys have ever used analytics in your projects, but Amplitude is a really nice tool to create funnels, so you can analyze user behavior within the app. So I can know if the users are actually using certain screens, completing the flows, making payments, like whatever flow that I need to configure, I can use Amplitude for that. It's pretty useful. I want data, guys. I want a lot of data. Okay, so this is supposed to be already. What's the indentation space size we are using? From the project standards, indentation does to space, enforced by Airbnb Swift format. Okay, should be working then. Okay, so let's see. I completed the background pagination. Here's what changed. Added start background pagination public method that triggers existing preload method. This method will preload remaining gallery art if needed, with fetch all remaining gallery arts in the background. Added call in the once block. This starts fetching all galleries start immediately when the view appears. Immediate background fetch, smart pagination, the existing ensure gallery art is loaded, logic handles pagination inefficiently, it fetches pages sequentially until the art is loaded. Okay, it's supposed to be working. I'm not gonna check the code because fuck it. And let's see if it works. The problem that it has right now is that when I go to a gallery with arts, I am preloading this the first X amount of items for the timeline. So I preload 4 items in the timeline. But when I go to the detail of the one of the images, I added this art count in the top, so you can swipe to get to see the rest of the arts. The problem is that I just preloaded the first 4 for that particular gallery. So now I added a function to query the next ones. Oh, this is not fucking working, man. Come on. It's not working. I don't see the 5th image in a gallery of 2x2. It shows an empty view. Header count is being updated though. People, you are very, very quiet today. How are you guys? I'm pretty excited to be back. I've not slept the whole night because I had a flight yesterday at 6 a.m. and I went to Mexico and drove until 3 a.m. So I'm pretty exhausted, but I'm here working. We'll try to do as much work as possible because I am pretty fucking delayed with this feature. Has to be out. We'll be onboarding a lot of the images from the creators today. I'll try to scrape some of the creators that I already talked about, so I will create their profile so they can see how their art looks like in the platform. Because I need answers. I need creators in the platform, guys. If you know a really good photographer, car photographer for the platform, we need to onboard them. So let me know. Well, in the meantime, let's see how the backend is working. All test pass. Here's the summary of the fix. Okay, it found an error. Perfect. I found the issue. Let me try to do root cause. The issue is payment processor. The code is set in application fee amount whenever platform fee may greater than 0, but not checking if the merchant has a Stripe account ID configured. Looking at the merchant model. Can be null. What's happening? Merchant has status ready to use, but Stripe account ID is none, or empty payment is created without Stripe account, becomes regular charge. But that's not the fucking issue because my merchant has the info needed to create the charge. So there is an issue there. Merchants. TopCars. Ready to use customer ID. That's not the issue. The prod server has the Stripe account and is valid. Check the Stripe Connect documentation and find if something changed on the API or we have something misconfigured. The tickets mechanism worked before. Haven't checked it yet. I'm in ghost mode watching the stream while I tweak some things in the app. Which fucking app, man? Tell me about your app. I want to know about your app. You are the guy that was doing some motorcycle app? The one that came, stole my code, and then went somewhere to build something? Okay, no, it's not that one. You are not that guy. Or you are probably that guy, but it's another idea. It's an application for business that allows them to create social media posts with AI-generated images and videos in just one click. Nice. But why an app? I mean, hopefully it's a web app, right? You don't need an app for that. You are right. Let me check Stripe Connect documentation. Found it. The issue Stripe account needs to be passed a parameter to API call, not inside the request body. Let me check the ticket implementation. Yes. Okay. Found the issue. It's fixing it. Now this one. I fixed the issue. The problem was that the code was setting next gallery art page 2, assuming the SGI payload represented a complete page 1, but the SGI section sent a limited subset. Art's not a full page. The fix changed next gallery art initialization to always start from 1, remove the line that resetting page 2. Ah, motherfucker, bro. Okay, should work now. Let's compile. I can be your customer, bro. I need AI generated content for TopCars social media. I can test your product and be your first customer if it works, of course. Okay, let's swipe. Oh my fucking god, man. Look at this. It's working. Holy shit, I'm so fucking good. Okay, now add support for infinite scrolling. So if I reach the last item, I get to see the first one again. Infinite swipe. Not scrolling because this shit is gonna act different. Yes, I'm the same guy to make like a TopCars but with bikes. I knew it. You are the guy that's supposed to help me, motherfucker. Okay, this thing is working. You fire me. Did I yeah, because you did nothing. Bolshko? What the fuck is that, man? Hi, bro. How are you? Bring the people, man. Bring the people. I am alone. I feel alone. I need you guys in my life. I need slaves. I became irrelevant, bro. I need to do something crazy because I am too irrelevant now. Haha, I just wanted to say that word. Sounds so fun. So you have to be weird, not just in Spanish, but you have to be weird in my English stream as well. Okay. Okay, noted. Noted, bro. You have money, motherfucker. Subscribe to my channel. I want to see your sub. I will put some rewards for subs or something like that. Give me your fucking money, bro. Okay, this is not supposed to be here. That's an issue. It's time to be CTO again? Nah, there is no CTO position, bro. Cloud the Code is a CTO now. I am a fucking project manager and CEO. TopCars doesn't need a CTO anymore. It used to. Oh, 9. Oh my fucking god, I am so good. Okay, it works. It has infinite swipe. It has infinite swipe, infinite scroll. It has tap to zoom. And if I zoom, I cannot go to the next image until I zoom out. Ah, man, this is so good. Okay, this is working as expected. The header should take me to the gallery. Yes, motherfucker. Okay, now the whole user side I think is working fine. Let's see the price galleries. Okay, yeah, the payment is failed so far. Let's fix that a little bit later. Okay, this one should take me to the gallery. Okay, because this is my gallery with price. I can see the price on the top, the stats on the bottom. Okay, this is good, looks good. Then this is another creators gallery, so I can see the like and dislike button. Double tap to nah, man, I am okay. Wait a second. There's an issue here. I tapped in the 5th image and it took me to the correct image, but not in the index in the top. Okay, so I tapped the 5th image in the gallery view art grid. It took me to that image, but the header count was 1 of 9 instead of the right index of that image. I should have seen the right index and by then the right scrolling. Nice. I will be the next millionaire CEO. I wish you luck, bro. Okay, there's a lot of fucking people in here and nobody says hi. Hi, say hi to me, motherfuckers. I have money, but if you are going to disappear for 10 years, I won't spend it on the subscription. What did you fucking say to me, motherfucker? What did you say to me? Give me your fucking money. I'll be here daily. Okay, no, not daily. No, yeah, daily, but the next week I have 9 to 5 job and I have to socialize with my fucking with my workmates, okay? So I'll be trying to stream at night, 3 hours at least, but it will not be here. I will be in Mexico, but I will be here, and I will be here after that for 3 months. I will make a 90-day challenge where I need to put all of the ideas that I have in my backlog in TopCars. The garage feature, Art Plus garage feature, Art Plus events feature, the ambassador programs, the referral programs, the merchandising feature, the timeline feature, the notifications enhanced system. I have like 15-20 ideas in the backlog. I'll try to put them on in a really fast it will be like a speed run of features for TopCars during 3 months. 3 months that I will not travel, I will not get out of the warehouse. I will lock in. Literally, I will lock in. So expect me 6 hours of stream per day, and I will still keep working at home. So it will be nice. So give me your fucking money and subscribe to the tier 3 subscription. I will be teaching you how to use properly AI, and we will be discovering how to use more AI. We do no longer do Android in this stream. We just do iOS, backend, and AI. Wow, it hurts. You promise? I promise. So subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I will not be here. This stream now became about money, so give me your fucking money, bro, and I will give you knowledge and entertainment and opportunities. You forgot cloud and infra savings, and we will do that too. Okay, change made. Perfect. Fixed the issue. Here's what change it. Change it big grid to enumerate items. Destructed to get index art from each item. Pass the initial gallery index to both owner and non-owner navigation paths. Added the initial gallery index in parameter with actions modifier. Updated art overlay modifier in the properties to access the initial gallery index. Forwarded to both navigation paths. I don't know what this shit did, but it should be working. So let's try. And I don't know why it messed up with the indentation again. And this is not working. Compile and test because project is fucked up. That gives me change in opportunities. There is always opportunities in my stream. You already know that. We have success stories from this stream. The old gang no longer come here because they are already successful. The only guy that is here still is Juan because he is still not successful. But he will. One day. He's like the bad apple. You are my bad apple, motherfucker. I will not stop streaming until you become an alpha. Fucking beta. Okay, we need to move faster, guys. We need to move faster. Okay, so that thing is fixing the art. This is fixing the test configured the stripe accounts correctly checked as keyword argument. Here is the complete fix. This real issue. The stripe account parameter was being passed inside the request body dictionary instead of the keyword argument to the set stripe account header. When unpacked, it sends Stripe account to Stripe's API as a body parameter, which Stripe doesn't recognize. The API then treated it as a regular payment intent, not a direct charge. So when it encountered the application fee amount, it rejected it with can-only application. Oh man, it works now. It's supposed to be working now. So with this, we should be able to purchase an art. Create order, fix payment intent. Let's push it and let's deploy it in the backend. I still need to automate my deployments, bros. I still do it manually. I don't know who is the people that just comes, doesn't say anything, and just leaves. But it's fine. It is fine. I'm just streaming because I want to be committed to my project, and that's the only reason. I need to be accountable with myself and with my project and with my goals, because I need to replace, well, not replace, this car will never go, but I need another car, guys. I need another car. I want another car. I already have 4, but it's never enough. Today I was driving my little old Porsche. I love it, man. I love that little car, but it's so fucked up. It's like really shit. I need to really put some love on that car, because everything is falling apart in pieces, man. Everything is falling apart. But I like it. I like that car. It's really nice. Okay, this is working. The other one is deploying. We need another agent because... Okay. Haha, thank you for that subscription, my bro. Welcome to my subscribers. Happy to have you here. Thank you for that sub. Let's build, let's learn, and let's become millionaires live in public. Build in public. The Streamlabs chat never refreshed, whatever. Okay, this thing is working. I need to finish this one so I can spin off different branches, because now I need to start working in parallel, otherwise it will be... Before we had an issue where we needed time to build features. Now I need time to review features done by the AI. So, because the AI does it sometimes not so fast, I cannot do another thing in the same branch until that finishes, because it needs to compile and make sure that the branch is well and is not broken. So usually what I do is try to spin off different agents in different work trees. Work tree is a different separate space in the same repo, but it's kind of like a branch, but it's not the same. It's like literally it's another directory with a copy of the project, and you can create check out different branches in that own space, that work tree. So usually what I do is try to separate multiple work trees depending on the feature that I'm working on. But I've been very stupid managing the work trees, because sometimes I encounter an issue in one of the branches and I try to fix it in there, and that branch is not about the context of the issue that I just put to work. I need to go to the other work tree where the actual feature is being worked on and try to fix the issue there. So I already messed up several times my work trees. I need to start working in a very organized way, because I pretty much find an issue and try to fix it wherever branch I am and whatever feature I'm working on. I just interrupt the flow, go and fix the thing that I found, and then continue the flow. And it's killing me, man. It's killing me, because it's a lot of context switching. So there are a lot of things that I already fixed that I don't remember, and then I go test, and it's like, did I fix this or not? It's working now, but I don't know in which branch it is. And it already happened to me twice that I lost changes because of the context switching. No, man. But yeah. Let's stop complaining and let's keep working. So, what was fixed? The compilation error was caused by big read expecting identifiable items, but we are passing tuples from enumerated, which doesn't conform identifiable. Created indexed art, helper struct in gallery view. You updated glyph to enumerated items, indexed art. Change it from index art tuple, the structuring to using index art. Okay. I don't know what that shit did, but let's see if it's working. And let's put all the... We have unit tests in the backend, guys, finally. 850 unit tests. I still need to make unit tests in mobile, but at least we have in backend. So let's make sure that everything is working. Let's fix the indentation here that this shit for some reason keeps messing with. Hate it, man. I don't know how to fix that. I already explicitly tell to the cloud file that respect the indentation and still messing up. Cloud md messing indentation. Cloud code doesn't consistently follow CloudMD formatting instructions. Exactly, that's what happened to me. If you want determinism, consider registering a hook that performs this operation. Like a post tool use write hook. Models are not perfect at following instructions, especially if the context is too large. We could try some prompting changes for better cloud code adherence. We can guarantee that they will help model get the instructions right every time. How to tell cloud follows instructions depends on the size and content of your context. Holy shit. Okay, you know what are we going to do, guys? We are going to put that instruction at the very beginning of the cloud file instead of the bottom, because probably it's too big of a file and is not taking this. As a priority. So let's put this as a priority at the top of the file. Okay. Let's see if that fixes it. In the meantime, let's run this thing, which is supposed to be working now. By the way, I'm not seeing YouTube comments. I guess I don't have. But I don't know where to see them. Yeah, there are no comments. There are no people in YouTube watching my stream. Okay, this should be working now, so let's go check gallery. This is the creator, this is the gallery. Straight to the 5. Nice. And we should be able to keep scrolling. Nice, nice. Straight to 9. Oh my god. Nice, it works. The price includes the entire gallery. Okay, this price should have zeros in here, because it looks pretty fucking weird. Gallery view, smart art display. Where is the price batch? Oh, this is not the gallery view, this is the art view. Art display view. What the fuck is this? See Apple Pay button? Why do I have this? Purchase overlay. What the fuck is this? What? And this is still not working. Haha, this is all failing. Oh my god, man. What's up, my G? Morgan, how are you, bro? What brings you here? How are you, bro? All good in the hood. I've been working and studying. How's the project going? Good, good. Finding errors, fixing errors, a lot of fucking bugs. We are still on the making. I don't know where this purchase overlay comes from. Art purchase view model. What is this, man? There is hard-coded errors. Start purchase creates a view model. What the fuck is this, man? Let's ask Codex to fix that. Analyze the architecture in art display view for the let's make a commit here because this is already working. And we don't want to mess up. Git add commit fixing navigation and styling issues. Okay, so we start clear in here and clear in here. Architectural display for the purchase flow is creating a weird on the fly view model instead of instancing when created. Also the purchase is some overlay which it shouldn't, and there is code for an Apple Pay button that shouldn't be there. All is handled by Stripe payment sheet once the order is created and the ephemeral key is returned. Okay, let's see. What's how far are you from the 70%? Which 70%? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, my friend? Oh wow, a lot of people. Hi people, welcome to the new ones. I don't know who joined. Say hi. We are working on TopCars as always. Today is hard mode hardcore day. We are fixing the payments because we need to launch the monetization part of the art feature ASAP, meaning as soon as possible, because we are losing money, people. We are losing money. Every day that we do not launch the monetization platform is a day that we lose money, so we need to make money. 70% of the project. This is an endless project, bro. There is no 70% of this project. This project has a backlog or a to-do list of dozens of features. So for the art specific feature, that's the one that I've been working on for months, is around 90% right now. So it's 10% of work this whole week, and we can launch. But after this feature, I have 1,000 more features to build. It's an ongoing project. We are going to launch a lot of things. So yeah. This is fixing the unit test. Codex is analyzing the flow. Our display is acting as a checkout coordinator instead of handing off the shared stripe flow. In our display, the script coordination mounts its own purchase overlay. Then in the display and display view, it creates purchase view model, gallery purchase view model. On tab, creates the order, waits process data, and then renders TC Apple Pay button and display the duplicates payment orchestration, already centralizing orders checkout. The full screen overlay in architectural leakage from the payment implementation. What the architecture should be: display wanting and buy, create an order for art gallery, route the shared checkout screen with order ID or lightweight purchase session. Let shared checkout fetch the order, decode process data, build payment sheet, present it, and confirm the order. Okay. Build an intermediate page to create the order and process the payment, but it should not have any interface other than a TC loader. Present the view as bottom sheet with 100 spacers top and bottom. Process the order, launch the payment sheet directly, wait the result, and show the toast failure or success accordingly. Don't hard code strings, implement it in both gallery and art purchase. Unlike tickets implementation, the art feature does not have a preview screen. It should create order and try to process payment as soon as the user taps on the price badge. Go. Okay, let's go, guys. Today, Codex is better. Cloud Code is not the best today. So we are going to work on the Codex today. It happens. Sometimes ChatGPT is better. Sometimes Anthropic is better. It's pretty weird, man. I mean, I'm paying a fucking super expensive subscription. I would not expect to be working sometimes and sometimes not. My prompting skills are the same. If I were too bad at prompting, the results should be different from day to day. But no. Sorry, so it should be the same every day, but no. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I'm replacing the Algari Apple Pay flow with a minimal purchase processing sheet. Create order immediately. Present Stripe payment sheet as soon as processor data is available, and collapse success Error handling into the screen with localized toast. I'm checking the current gallery entry points and the bottom sheet API before patching. Have bottom sheet behavior and the remaining impact area. Next patch will remove the art overlay. Path and minimal processing bottom sheet that allow create the order and launch stripe image sheet and wire gallery entry points to the same flow. Nice. Okay, this sheet should be working. Let him cook. And this one is cooking as well. What do? I don't have anything to do. I am waiting because I am committed to only do the payment flow today. Because if I start checking other stuff, I will continue delaying the payment, and it's the most important part of the feature. So I will wait. No matter how much I need to wait, I will fucking wait. So let's put agent and agent side by side, and let's let them work. In the meantime, questions, people, questions. What do you need my help with? Oh man, that the fan that I put behind me helped a lot with the fucking heat. I have a question, Master. Go ahead, fire. I'm ready to answer. Ready to answer. Shoot your question. Shoot your question. What's the faster way to make 2K? You are already asking the wrong thing, bro. I'm afraid to tell you. If you are asking the fastest way of whatever shit in life, you are already losing. Don't ask how I make the fastest. How's the faster way to make? Okay. Let's answer your question. I will answer your question. I will not be a fucking religious people here or trying to lecture you with anything. I will answer your question. But first, I have another question. Why do you need 2K? Because it's the second stream that you come here and you mention exactly 2K. You asked me at what age or how much time did I took to get to 2K. I want to know, why do you want to get 2K? Put all money in red color roulette. Actually, yeah. Did you know, guys, that the chances to succeed in gambling or the lottery is higher than succeeding in launching a business? The amount of businesses that do not make it is way higher than the people not winning the lottery. Is statistics. Is you have a higher chance to win the lottery than succeed in a business. But you answer the question. Why do you need 2K? Why do you want to earn to be getting 2K every month? Well, let's be open. Hold up, it's long. Oh man. Okay, we can wait. It's not like Claude is working, Codex is working. So I have all your time, bro. Will you invest in advertising for TopCars? What do you think would be the best target audience to reach more people, or which social network do you recommend for advertising the app? In my case, it doesn't make sense to me to advertise TopCars because I don't have a product. It's a platform that doesn't have a business model yet, and I am not solving anyone's necessity. I'm not solving any problem with TopCars as of now. My platform so far is an effort from me to let the people understand that they need a platform for cars. But I am cooked right now. I'm cooked. I don't have a business model. I don't have enough users. I don't have a plan for making money in the short, medium, long term. And the long term, yes, but not in the short and medium term. Because my approach is not build something that solves a problem and put in the hands of the users and sell it. So that's why advertising doesn't work for me. Because if I pay for an advertising campaign, what could be the success? What could be something that I can consider a success if I launch a campaign? More users? I don't need more users because I don't have anything to offer to them. More signups in the platform, more impressions in the platform, maybe, because I can go with a VC and say, hey, I have a platform with a lot of impressions, a lot of people checking content in my platform, so I need an investment. So that maybe is a why. But if I paid advertising to get users and I don't have anything to sell to them, it's not worth it. So for my use case, I'm not willing to spend in advertising as of now. When I find a feature that solves a problem and that there is people that is using it because that specific problem, I am the one that can solve it for them in a better way or in the cheapest way, then I can advertise to that specific niche. But as of now, TopCars is a platform that I want it to be worth it. I mean, I don't want it to be profitable. I want it to be worth it. I want people to get to TopCars and see the content and feel like they want to be in the app, seeing more, whatever, events, art, creators, merchandising, whatever. So it's a slow process, very slow process, because I need to build a lot of features in order to make the app the way that I visualize it, and I need to burn a lot of capital for that. But until that point is really hard, because if I focus on one specific need for my users and I go and tackle that, the platform will not be the platform that I want to build. I want to build a fucking social network, like the app of apps. I want every single feature from other major apps in my platform specific for cars. So it doesn't work for me. If you are building an AI tool for people to do something in social media, whatever, you can advertise it. And if that's the case, I would use Instagram. I mean, if you are using your app or the website that you are creating for creating content, AI generated content, I would use my own tool to create AI generated content and put a profile in Instagram and advertise the post. And you can record yourself like, hey, you can create more of this more posts like this with a single click, hitting the link below, and first 10 posts are free. Offer a freemium package, like 3 posts or 1 post for free, and the next one immediate paywall, $10, $15, something like that. People pay for that just to try how is the tool, because in the US $15, $10, $20 is nothing. It's not too much to try a new tool that may or may not help them. So if I were you, I would just use paywall link, free to use one time generation, and then promote it in the same social network that you expect your clients to be working on. So if you expect them to create posts for Instagram, create yourself a page in Instagram and make advertising of the posts that you put with your own tool, because you are offering a tool for them. Use the tool, otherwise you are building something that you are not your primarily user. So that's TopCars for me. I go to my own app to see events because I put them in there and I try to interact with my own app. That's calling dogfooding, where you use your own app, your own tools. So use your tool to create content, promote that content in the same social networks that your clients are supposed to be using your tool, and offer a free sample and then charge immediately. Hello, Juanaco, what the fuck, bro? How are you, man? Okay, my AI finished working, bros. To improve my quality of life, I won't go into details because it's not needed, but long story short, I would like to pay all my debts, don't worry about money, and take care of my loved ones. Will you seek investors if the app grows? Yes, I want to grow faster, but I need to find or figure it out a business model first. Until then, I will burn all my capital. If it has to be 1 more year, 2 more years, 3 more years, I will burn my own money until this becomes attractive to investors or to a major player in the field, in the car space, or I just fucking make it and I don't have or need any investors at all because I made money out of the app by myself. So yeah, the best case scenario is I don't need investors. And for me, I want to retire in 7 years. So if I can make TopCars work and be worth it 10 million, 50 million, $5 million in 8 years, I'm happy to sell it and go and retire or make more money with those 5 millions. But yeah, for the moment there is no rush. That's why I'm building a lot of features, burning my own money. I trust in my development skills. I trust in the idea, and I will wait until the people realize how fucking good the tech that I'm building is and how good, how much do we need a car social network. Okay, so Morgan, to your question, I don't think 2K is enough. I don't know where you live. If you live in Colombia, maybe, but still, it's not enough. And you will soon realize that money doesn't solve problems. It makes you think clearer so you can focus on other stuff, but it doesn't solve any problem. The money is just a tool, and if you have money problems right now, probably they are not money problems. Probably they are spending problems, family problems, mindset problems, work like laziness problems. Probably so everything, but money. I tell you because I was that kind of person. I am sometimes that kind of person still, that I think that money will solve my problems, and no, we have a lot of problems by our own, and the money will not solve them. So that being said, how do you reach 2K fast? Man, programming. I already told you. I mean, it's the only thing I know. I cannot suggest you any other thing because I don't know. I could tell you go and day trade stocks, borrow money from someone and start trading, or go and make YouTube videos. I don't know. I mean, I think that everyone can make money from anything, but you need to become very fucking obsessed about it and do it repetitive times so fucking fast. Now, there are some things that are faster than others because of the demand. We live in a AI market right now. The Auric is making something that is in demand. AI tools, AI stuff, AI propaganda, AI generated content. So that's the boom right now, is that, right? So if you probably try to build something around it, you will have more chances to succeed than someone like me that is trying to use a Web 2 version of a Web 2 application in a post Web3 and AI world. So I am against the fucking wave. But if you wanna try to learn coding, I would really suggest you is the easiest way that I know that you can get to 2K in less than a year. I had a student here in this chat the last year that I was streaming. He was my best student from all of the guys that came here. I had a lot of people in here, and he was the best one. And he right now is earning more than $10K per month after 2 years, only 2 years of programming. And the first year he was already earning $3K per month. So, but he's good. He was good, but he never touched programming in his life until he came to me and started learning with me. So it's possible, and it's the fastest way that I know because it's so, there is a lot of resources online to learn programming. So it's so fucking flooded with information. There is a lot of tutorials, resources, people knowing programming, Instagram gurus, YouTube gurus, Twitter gurus, this fucking guru in Twitch teaching or showing programming. So there is a lot of resources. So yeah, I would say that that's the fastest way, but everyone that has its own skills in its own field may say something different. I don't know. Hey Daniel, sorry today was heavy day, but I'm ready to work. What do I need? Join the stream. Good, heavy, but all good. I've had a very good result selling apps that include artificial intelligence features. You are my guru king. I should probably be building AI. I like AI as a tool. I don't like it as something to live. I don't know. I like it. I like it a lot. I like to use it a lot. But selling it, I know that is probably the fastest way that I could make money right now. But I just prefer. I really like to build apps that I could use, and I would not use an AI app. I use the cloud code. I like AI. I love AI for development, but I would not use it. I would not use an app that uses AI, but I would use an app for cars. That's why I'm building TopCars, and I know that there's a lot of people out there that is not in the fucking tech bubble, trying to use AI, because we are in a globalized world with 8 billion people, and AI is not going to be in every single market, in every single thing yet. It will eventually, but not now. And as of now, I don't want to do that. Probably I will change my mind in a few months, or probably in a few years. But as of now, I want to build a social network. I want to build something that the people would use, like me, that likes cars, that likes community, that likes content, and I want to build it. Damn, may you recommend a good way to improve thinking in programming? Practicing. I studied to become a programmer, and now I'm working at McDonald's. But you are working as a programmer in McDonald's, Bielma. Fuck you, man. Congratulations, bro. That guy is a programmer. He's not working at McDonald's. In a literal McDonald's. He's working as a fucking web developer in McDonald's. Congratulations, bro. Keep rocking. Why this fucking shit is not working, bro? Because this is in orders. Okay, this is not. No, Codex made a mistake, guys. I cannot trust in any fucking AI or what. All of them are dumb as fuck. Damn it! I've been thinking about it a lot, but I can't come up with any app ideas that aren't already in the market or solves a problem I could implement right now. I love apps, and ever since I was trying to get help with TopCars, I've been determined to become good enough to create quality apps like yours. Thanks so much, bro. Haha, thanks. Just started in November last year. I saw the post on LinkedIn. I don't have original ideas either, bro. I am just trying to make an app that is good enough, that is too big to ignore it, and too niche to skip it. So I want people in the car community to see like, oh motherfucker, like TopCars is everywhere. It's the only app that does this and this and this and this, and it becomes. I am trying to become a fucking millionaire by brute force, not by smart thinking, but by fucking brute force. Why? I don't know. I like that way. I like to get things in the harder way. I enjoy it more, and I probably will die poor with no millions because of that, but I will live happy and fulfilled because I am doing it in the way that I like. Juanaco, to improve program thinking. Stop asking questions, man. Just fucking do things. That's the only way. Do things. Just code and code and code and code and code and code as much code as possible, and learn as much as you can possibly can. Use English. Stop seeing any fucking shit in Spanish. Spanish speaking programmers are shit. Hispanic programmers are shit. Use English only, and that's pretty much it. I will add you to the repo. I will revive your account again and start fixing bugs. You will start by compiling the app and testing everything. All the flows in art. Forget the rest of the feature. Doesn't matter, events or the rest. I don't care. Right now, feature is the art is the focus. So I need you to focus on art. So test all the features, test all the flows. There are two types of users, the creator user and the regular user. So try with the regular user first, and then try with the creator user first. Then after. Let me give you an account. Oh my god, my bank accounts, bro. Google, this one. No, this one is not. It's Daniel TopCars. Dun, dun, dun. Luxari, yo con mi hello world in Spanish. Hi, bro. How are you? Good to have you back. Manesh. Where is Juan Victoria? Probably you are no longer here. Okay, now I will not do this. Give me your GitHub account. I will give you permissions directly with your GitHub account, and I will add you as a guest in the Slack channel. And stop fucking sending me WhatsApp messages. Use Slack. I mean, for work, obviously. Workflow builder, admin tools, manage members, invite people. Give me your email account, personal email account, and your personal GitHub account. Doesn't need to be something big. Think about what takes more time in your daily life and start with that. I have my own app that helps me manage my budget. Not bad. Looking for a job. Aren't surprised by the mini Murillo thing. Oh yeah, Martina baby. That's correct. That's like Juan said. I already told you guys. Start with the small apps. I have my own app for tracking habits and posting my daily wins, like internal wins for me. And I use it every day. I post my daily wins like I have a habit that says don't buy useless shit. Workout, no sugar, no porn. So I just mark every day a daily habit. And this app is very good design. It's really nice design. But the app, like the code, is hard coded strings. There is no multi-language support. There is no landscape support. It's pretty much hard coded, but it works. So just go and do things. And yeah, start building. It says that you are already here. What the fuck? Oh yeah, you're here. Let's activate you again. And you are back. Or you should. Yeah, you are back. Then collaborators and teams. Use passkey. Come on, bro. Where is my passkey? Okay, password then. Right. Motherfucker, I need to add a seat. Really? You are costing money starting today, bro, so be useful. Understood. Understood what? Are you going to learn programming or are you going to do content? Whatever is fine, man, just do things. If you are creating content, don't create stupid content. Don't be lazy. Go and try to copy a really nice edited video from someone and then try to post as many reels as possible. Eventually someone will say, hey bro, your editing skills are pretty fucking good. Do you want to edit videos for a channel? And someone will give you some work to do. But you need to be insanely good at something by practicing. Okay, you are invited, Juanaco. Go. And let's see what our fucking AIs are doing, guys. Codex was doing what? Oh, this shit. Move it into orders list as a public shared model and remove the duplicate definition. This makes it visible both orders and art. The art processing code now compiles against orders list shared. Also check out the project. New purchase flow is ready. Okay, let's compile. Let's see. Oh wow, there's a lot of people. Hey, hi. Say hi, bros. Payment data is not in scope. Orders leave. I think this is just, it just needs a literal refresh. So okay guys, I want you all to go and subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel. Go, because I post videos about my cars. I am trying to do content in a regular basis, so go and subscribe. Okay, what's the fucking problem now? Well, toda esa desesperación va a llegar a algún lado. Let's see how the end will be. I know that you want to take care of your family. I know that I understand that you want to stop being poor or like have some money. But you cannot do everything all at once. You need to focus on one thing at a time. And that one thing doesn't have to be problems. You need to focus on solutions. So what's the immediate problem that literally you cannot live with today? Is the rent payment, is your dog is dying, or your mom is sick, or your brother is punching you in the face? What is the immediate problem right now that you have? If you don't have an immediate problem that literally is urgent, then you don't have a problem. You don't have money problems. You have focus problems. If you don't have an urgency right now, like something that literally is life or death, then you are good. Because sometimes people doesn't have even like money for, I don't know, for eating. And that's not the case. You have something to eat, I guess. What the fuck is this shit? Damn, where is my out code? I did not receive it to enter in Slack because you were already in Slack, bro. I just reactivated you, so you just go and sign in with your email. All your useless shitty code of authentication, I rewrote it entirely. The whole authentication system is new. You're welcome. Okay, let's see what happened with the backend is still working. How many tokens this shit is consuming, bro? Oh man. Look, Cloud Decode has been working for like, I don't know, 15 minutes and it doesn't finish. Useless piece of shit, man. Today is just literally not working. It's just not working, guys. Oh shit, I don't have a problem. You're right. If I don't focus into the important, the moment I get to 2K, I'll be in the same position, but with 2K. If you don't have right now a problem, you have food on the table, you have, no matter the type of house, if you have a house, you have internet, because you are fucking typing in my stream, and that means that you also have a device, a computer, a cell phone, whatever, you are not having an immediate problem. So the only problem you have is focus. So focus in doing something. The money will come. Which AI do you prefer to work with? Usually Cloud Code, but today Cloud Code is the dumbest fucking shit ever. So I'm not sure anymore. Today I'm using Codex because Cloud Code is just not giving me the results that I need. So I am mixing both. I have both premium subscriptions and I'm trying to use both as much as possible. But yeah, man, I don't know. Cloud Code usually is the best, but sometimes, like today, is just drunk and doesn't do what I need to do. I need it to do. Neither Codex. Look at this. Toast. No, I think I think the problem is this. The interface. I'll use the console. Yeah. I recommended Cloud Code because it's focused on programming. Yes. Codex 2, bro. What are you talking about? Okay, let's see how it works. Let's wait for this one. ¡Ay, güey, mi mente! Procrastination problems. Exactly, procrastination problems. That's what Morgan has. I have procrastination problems too. That's why I started streaming. Every time that I stream, you know, guys, that I come daily to work on my projects. I speak a lot. I don't work probably too much, but just the consistency of being here and working something is better than working one day like 12 hours and then do nothing for 1 week. It's better to be here. It's better to be present doing something daily rather than once every other week. So yeah, we all have procrastination problems, guys. We all have procrastination problems. Right now, you don't need AI help for anything related to Top Cars. I'd like to return to your totalitarian regime. Which totalitarian regime where nobody had a word and I was the king of in the north? I actually use AI. I have AI in the platform. There is a lot of things with AI. I have AI for address resolution mapping, so I can create events with the freeform addresses. I have an AI for extracting data from posts to create events automatically. I have AI for scrapping Instagram and onboard creators automatically. I have AI for... I think that's it. But yeah, it's not too much. And it's not too substantial right now. It's not the base of the project. Guys, these fucking AIs are so slow today. What the heck? This one has been working for like 30 minutes or something. And this one is still trying to figure it out. The project compiles again. I fixed two build blockers. Okay. Let's see if it works now. Oh wow, there's a lot of people now. Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome to my stream. My name is Daniel. I am the founder of TopCars. I'm building in public my startup, my $1 billion idea. And right now we are fighting AIs because they are dumb as fuck today. And implementing monetization for my new art feature, which is for creators, car photographers, to sell their art in my platform and share their work with their audience. Something like this that you are seeing on the screen. Well, it's compiling. But that's me. Welcome to my stream. I am a software engineer with 12 years of experience. That one is my car. It's an Audi RS7. I love cars. That's why I'm building TopCars. And I'm in my fucking warehouse because I wanted a place to stop procrastinating and keep working every single day. So welcome. Okay, this compiles now, guys. Let's see if it works, how it's supposed to work. Okay, so let's click on this. Nice. At least the model is shown. There is an issue with the model though. Let's see what is the issue. The issue is that this shit is using a VStack instead of a TC screen. And that's it. What is that fucking shit? Art purchase success. Table localizable. What the fuck is this, man? AI will replace programmers, of course. Tomorrow, man. Tomorrow. Obviously. We are going to be replaced, guys. Did you activate the iOS account or I enter my own? Let me see. You are supposed to have it still, but probably I deactivated. Yes, I deactivated it. Because I didn't want people to stop to sniff my project, bro, in the background. So let me check. Juanaco is working with you. What's up, my bro? Handsome, nice car. Thank you so much, bro. Yes, Juanaco is back into my realm. When are you going to be back? I need you, baby. Juanaco is here. Juanaco is the new project manager for the Cloud Code. I cannot tell you that he's a programmer because I don't need junior programmers. Cloud does the work. So he's gonna manage Cloud instead. Hey Brian, what's up, bro? Long time no see you. How is your startup, bro? Are you getting paid already? Because I am not, bro. Where the fuck are you? User and access. TopCars. Let's add Juan Victoria. Juan Camilo Victoria P. gmail.com. Admin, because otherwise this shit will not let you create certificates and that kind of stuff. So, well, no, that's too much power. Let's see if developer is enough. And just for TopCars. Oh no, shit, for TopCars Dev too. Oh shit, it's fine. Just compile the app in the TopCars target instead of the development. It's the same. Resend invitation. I already sent it to you, bro. No, bro, not yet. I'm vibe coding too. No, man. Actually, everybody's vibe coded. Nobody wants the juniors. The juniors are dead, man. To be honest, the juniors are dead. In the US and any other developed country. Probably in Latin America and third world countries, is still a thing, but the juniors are dead, bro. Definitely AI does your job 100 times faster and better. So sorry about that. Except in my work, bosses restricted AI, dumbasses. It's good for you. If they know the benefits of AI, they will kill your job. Okay, so you are having you have a job because they are dumb. Leave it that way. Keep learning. Keep doing things. If they realize how much money they would be saving with AI instead of you will not have job, bro. You would not have a job. This man, this has been working forever. I don't know what he's doing right now. Literally, look at this shit. He's doing migrations. What the fuck? I don't know. I need to take advance of that papayazo. Advance or advantage? Your English is so bad, man. I don't want to see your ugly face. Bye bye. This one, stop it. Okay, let's compile the app. Sorry, I didn't bring any snack, guys. I need my protein. I forgot to bring something. Your bosses are petes. That's correct. Any single moms enjoyer? Wow, the motherfucker. How are you, bro? Welcome back. Any alternative to Google interview warm-up for practicing English? I didn't even know what the fuck is that. Let's see. Google interview warm-up. Oh, wow. Before your interview, get warm up. Get started now. How it works. Practice interviewing. I was self-employed for oh, wow. Nice. I didn't know the tool. Thanks so much for the tip. I will not use it, but it's nice to know. Yeah, what the black guy said, real interviews in English. That's the only way, man. Just apply to every single fucking job. In fact, create different CVs, like mobile CV, backend CV, every kind of CV, and apply to all the positions available in LinkedIn or where, and like wherever, and Indeed or wherever you are searching for a job, and just take the interviews as experience. You practice your English. You know how they speak to you, and if you are not doing anything else, it's not a waste of time. It's an investment in experience. So take interviews. It's a good advice. Talking about that, any recommendation for an English demo live coding with American guys? For an English demo live coding with American guys? I don't know, but probably you can search in Upwork for someone to just make a paid programming session with you. In Upwork, probably there is something for pair programming. That's the term. What you are looking for is pair programming. Pair programming. So probably, yeah, look, this is expert in Firebase, data, chatbots, and they are not cheap, but you can probably schedule 1 hour with them and make a live coding session, something like that. Now I have a meeting for a demo. I sent a technical test, now I have a meeting for a demo. Oh, for a job? Good. Just be yourself, bro. No, just kidding. Don't be yourself. Be better. I'm going to the bathroom. I'll be back. No. By the way, guys, today is the first day that I am streaming multi-platform. I am right now live in YouTube, X, Twitch, and Kick. Which, by the way, I forgot about Kick, and I don't know if I have comments or people watching me there. Let me go and take a look. So I want you to go. Oh yeah, I have one viewer from Kick. Oh my god, man. I want you guys to go and follow me in all my socials, please, and thank you. So go there and follow me. And then go to here and follow me. And go to X and follow me. Follow me everywhere, motherfuckers. I will pass to Kick maybe. Kick is closed? No? I see it live, bro. Oh, it closed. Oh shit. And I had one view. So sad. I don't know why it stopped. It's Streamlabs problem, bro. It's not my problem. Hi Dieguito, how are you, my friend? Do you have a job? Or you are still a homeless, jobless, moneyless, penniless, useless piece of shit? I was going to do something in the phone and I forgot. They haven't contacted me yet. Jobless, moneyless, girlfriendless, friendless, it's less. No, he has a girlfriend, bro. At least. I mean, I don't know if that's a good thing, but he has a girlfriend. No, I'm talking about me. No, man. Jobless? Again? You already had a job? What happened? Eres una vergüenza para la naturaleza. Wait, this fucking shit is just not working, man. I will close this session. I will run the test again. Who is TVV Luxari? Is a League of Legends player from Murillo's stream, and he was very bad, as the rest of us. But if I'm not remember, he's the one that had stomach issues, and he has to be at home all the time. And he got a job as a programmer after many years or months of trying, and then I don't know now, but I think he's the one. So that's the guy. That's the guy, man. Let's run the unit tests. How do I share my own stream? Okay, found it. I just found it. No, wait. I don't want to open the stream manager. How do I share my profile, motherfuckers? I literally don't know. Are you gold? I scale alone, not like other that have suspicious duos. I get fired in December because I fight with my fucking boss because the piroa perra me puse el trabajo de 3 y me echó. But currently I'm better. In LOL. Holy shit, man. Holy fucking shit, bro. I literally spent the last few minutes doing a list of the things that are already good in my life, and I'm good. Of course, I want to conquer the fucking world and complete a lot of dreams I have, but I need to realize that I'm not in a bad position. Me lleva la verga. Exactly. That's what happens to all of us all the time. We do not realize that we are not bad. There are a lot of people that actually is in a very bad situation. So that's a good thing. I mean, it's good that you realize that you are not in the shit. But that being said, it's a good position to start because you are not literally starting from the bottom. You already have some necessities covered, I guess. So you can move forward from a better position, which is nice because you can actually focus on work and do something instead of focusing on, I don't know, what am I fucking going to eat today, right? I'm remaking my portfolio again, learning a lot of new things because being a teacher can travel with the Navy made me lose a lot of industry, new tools and tendencies. I don't understand the Navy thing, but good for you, bro. No tests were found. What the fuck? It didn't run the tests. Thanks so much for joining my stream, guys. I really appreciate it. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but now I'm back. And I won't be away, motherfuckers. Okay, I need to fix the back end because the front end is supposed to be ready, but now the back end is the problem. So let's see if this fixed the is this fixed the payments, and we can try to purchase an art from Stripe. Not sure why it's not working. It was working before in the events, but it's not working in the art module. I worked with the Navy of Colombia too, but well, it's a lot of things that you see. And now are hard, but como resto de costeña. I don't really fucking understand anything what you're saying, bro. But good, good for you, I guess. Man, learn and stop learning. Why you always people is like I'm learning new things? Don't learning a job. Go and get a fucking job. That's the best way to learn. Or do a project. That's the second best way to learn. But just I am learning new things in my home, not earning money, not being useful. That's not a way to learn. Don't be parasites, bros. Don't be parasites. Provide your home, provide your mothers, provide your girlfriends. Be useful. Okay, there are one test that is not passed. Is sold out. Okay, this test is not working. But I don't know what's the test. Oh shit. Bro, it's crazy how you, with a few words, just making a huge impact in the way I was seeing my mierdero. En serio, thank you. That's why I love to stream, bro. There is always someone that needs a word. Thanks so much. Appreciate it for the words as well. I like to be useful and I like to be impactful, I guess, in the lives of others, thanks to the mistakes that I've made. So you don't do the same. Enjoy life, bro. Life is good. Life is good. The moment that people has the time to see a fucking stream, seeing a pendejo in a warehouse coding a startup that doesn't make any money, your life is good. So now use it as a fuel and go and build something, do something, make money. Or go to the gym and do dances on TikTok. There is a lot of ways to make money, bro. It doesn't have to be the more authentic or glorious way. I recognize now that there is a lot of ways to make money and all of them are valid. So I will make TikTok dances, bros, for money. We are writing in English and here we all speak Spanish. Well, the thing is that I went to work with the Colombia Army and well, I was intending to work with them. I am still trying to work with them. We all speak in Spanish, I know. But I want to be relevant in the US community, bro. I don't know how, but my stream is always full of Latinos. Damn it. But it's good, it's good. I love you guys. You are my companion, and thanks to you, my stream once was something. Hopefully, more people will see it and will come. Because in the stats, when I get the Twitch recap every time that I stop stream, they send me the stats for viewers per country, and I have a lot of US people watching me, so not sure why they don't say hi or something, but it's not just Colombia. Colombia is the second largest country that see my stream always, and the third one is Mexico. But yeah, I'm wondering who is the American people that see my stream. You electrified me, Pedrito, like people said. Culos Latinos, dale. Oh man, there's more people, 20 people here. Thanks so much, everyone. Appreciate it that you've been here. I didn't even posted my stream today on Instagram, so welcome to everyone. Whoever is watching and is not saying hi to me, welcome to my stream. My name is Daniel. I am a software developer, 12 years of engineering in mobile development, and now I'm building my startup using AI tools and all the knowledge that I've got from my career. And we do live coding in here, we do some live talks in here, we do everything in this stream. This is supposed to be already fixed, the unit tests. I need to figure it out why Stripe is not working. So I will stop using AI for this because I'm already losing my mind, and I will just do the plain old debug in local because I am it's driving me nuts, guys. I need to fix this ASAP to move forward. So let's build this fucking server. Let's bring the keys for Stripe from staging, and let's test in local. Okay, don't copy my keys, guys. They are useless for you. Don't hack my accounts or I will kill you all. Okay, now let's see where our keys are. In here. this should work. Let's see. Let's run the server. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, the tests. No, they're still running. For some reason, the server is running. I don't know where. So let's kill it. Okay, let's run it again. Once I become a badass editor, I will clip all your content and eventually those gringos will know about you. Thanks so much, bro. Appreciate it. Hopefully. And the next, I ate a lot of costeñas when I went to the coast. And, that's good. Yeah, las costeñas, tío balas. So that's what I was going to ask you. Are you having any problems with Stripe on Mac? I'm not getting some payments while I'm testing. It doesn't have to be with Mac. Like, Stripe is an API. So the problem is not Mac or the environment. The problem is... Okay, I will explain very quickly how TopCars work. So TopCars... TopCars is not the same type of payments that you are implementing, because in your case, I imagine that you are the merchant or you are the guy that is charging users for using your platform, right? So you make direct payments between the merchants, which in this case is you, and your users, right? So this is the flow that you are using. And this is the very traditional method for every platform that wants to charge users for doing something. TopCars is different. TopCars is a marketplace. So TopCars doesn't sell things to other people. We act as intermediaries for the creators and the users. So basically, when the users purchase something, they purchase it through us, but we use the account ID from the creators, which are the merchants. So they need to set up their account in TopCars, and then we use the account ID from their account to process the payment. So basically, when the user, this is backwards. So when the user makes a payment, we take the art that they want to purchase. In this case, they try to purchase an art, and that art belongs to a creator. So what we do is we take the creator ID from the art, and we search the merchant configuration from the creator, which has the Stripe account ID. So this one has the Stripe account ID. Okay, so we take this Stripe account ID, and then we pass that account ID to Stripe API, and we process the payment on behalf of the creators. So it's like we just intervene for them to make the sale, but we are not making the sale. Because if we make the sale, then we need to collect taxes. And if we need to collect taxes, then we need to figure it out how much to pay to the merchant, to the creator, and then split the payments. And it's a whole fucking mess that we need to manage. So in this case, we don't do that. Stripe does that. So what we do is we onboard the creator's merchant account in the platform, and the users, when they purchase something, we go to the merchant configuration from the creator, we take the Stripe account ID, we process the payment, and we send to Stripe, hey bro, this is the art price, this is the merchant account ID that you are going to use, and this is our platform fee, which is the amount of money that TopCars charges per transaction. And then Stripe makes the whole management of the money. They pay the creator, they pay to us, and they collect taxes if they need to collect taxes, and we just get our money in our own bank account, in our TopCars bank account. So we only get pay taxes for the money that we receive, not for the money that the creators receive, because they manage their own taxes in their own account. So that's called Stripe Connect, which is a different set of APIs. It's pretty much the same as the regular Stripe, but the difference is that we have to include the Stripe ID from the merchant, from the creator, in every single transaction or every single API call. And right now, that's what is not working. I am sending the art for the payment, and when Stripe is trying to create the payment intent for making the purchase, something is wrong in the payload, and they are not processing the payment. The initial, not the payment yet, but the creation of the order. So is what I need to figure it out. Why the fuck is not working? I'm using SDK to Stripe. Okay, so the creator is one who connects their Stripe account, and you just act as intermediary between the buyer and the creator. Exactly what I just said. So yes, we are a market. That's called a marketplace. So we are a marketplace of accounts, but we do not manage their accounts. We just process the payments for them. We still need to record the transactions on our end if we want. We did that because we are a fucking over engineering, but yes, we are processing our own orders within the platform in order to keep all the records of the purchases in the app. So something in the middle is not working, and I need to figure it out why. So now that I have the server running, I will try to purchase an art. So okay, let's create an art in local that has a price, and let's try to purchase it. So there is arts. Let's take this one. Let's put a price of $1, maximum quantity 1, 0 sold quantity. Okay, so this is the art that we are going to purchase. So this is the art. We will put it in here and in here, and then let's try to purchase. Payment processing configuration incomplete. Please contact the own. Okay, that's fine because we don't have the merchant configuration in local. So let's copy the merchant configuration for the own from production. So I will use my own account to process the payment. So TopCars, this is the account ID, name is TopCars LLC, Stripe customer ID, 5% processing fee, currency USD, and already exists. What the fuck? So there is already. Oh yeah, TopCars is here. My bad. So let's change the ownership of this to TopCars. Done. So now let's try to process the payment. What the fuck? What the fucking fuck, guys? In local is working. Processor data. This is the processing data that we need to pass to Stripe in order to launch the payment sheet and process the payment. And in local is working. Shit. Okay, no worries at all. Let's not make bad assumptions. Let's release the backend and let's debug the payload in the iOS app, and then let's try to figure it out why it's not working on the dev server. We are close, guys. We are close. If we can get the fucking payment today, fuck it. We'll onboard fake users, not fake users, but creators in the platform from Instagram, and we will launch the feature. We need to launch the feature. I need to fucking put this in production now. So let's fix the payment. That's the last part. Juanaco, you're still there? Where is my tester? How is the testing going? Okay, so we have... Yep. Ah, that's my boy. Okay, failed to create order. That's what we wanted to hear. So we are gonna take this payload from here. We are gonna take it to here. I think it was the same art that I'm trying to purchase. Yeah, it's the same. So let's try this again. Staging. Send. Payment configuration error. Can only apply an application fee amount when the payment intent is attempting a direct payment. Something is well configured in my local but bad configured in dev. So it's the same account. This is my local. This is what is different. Oh, the processing fee. When the processing fee is 0, this works. So adding a processing fee is the error. Let's change this to 0. Let's change this to 0 and it should work now. Yeah, it's working. The problem is the processing fee. Processing fee 0. Okay, that's good. So we need to focus on the processing fee only. Let's see what's the error. We need to put, let's see, 5%. I don't remember if this was percentage based. This art is sold out. Okay, nice. This is good. We have the errors properly managed. But the sold out, I don't want it to be a 400. I want it to be a 4. Art is sold out. This has to be a conflict exception error. Okay, nice. Oh, what the fuck. Okay, this was already using detail. Nice. So let's see where this is happening again. Okay, just here. Is sold out. Okay. That happens because the art that we are trying to purchase, it has a limited quantity of 1. So let's increase this to 10 and then let's try to purchase again. Sold out? What the fuck? Allow multiple purchases. Here we are. Is for sale? Yes. This is public. Is the same? Oh, this is another one. Oh my fucking god. 77 is this one. Okay, so price in cents, multiple purchases, max quantity 100, can purchase yes, all quantity 0, save. Let's try. Okay, payment configuration error. Can only apply an application fee amount when payment is attempting direct payment. Let's see what Google says. Stripe API error, passing application fee. Stripe contain that it needs either this or the I'm passing the Stripe account header. To add my experience of the issue comments above, when you include an application fee in the request, Stripe expects that you'll be charging a customer on behalf of a connected account. The application fee is the amount that should go to your platform account as your fee for your service you provide. Stripe throws this error if it believes that the account being paid is the platform account, and therefore it makes no sense to process a separate application fee to the same account. Ways this happen include passing your platform account number instead of a connected account number in the request for okay guys, fine, we are fine. The problem is that I am using my own connected account to process the payment for an art that belongs to me, so I am paying to myself. That's why it says, hey bro, how are you going to process an application fee to yourself? So that's the issue. Let's see if we had another connected account. Let's change swap IDs and then let's try with another account. So merchants, let's use this merchant. Ready to use TopCars and this one. Oh no, there is no ready to use merchants here. Connected accounts, restricted, let's create one. Who pays Stripe fees? Who pays the fees? The connected account. Dashboard access express. Negative balance liability Stripe. Requirement collection. Save. Okay. Create. So connected account created. To completed will be ready to use. Okay, we need to set up the account. Oh shit, this is production. Oh, fuck me. Switch to sandbox, test mode. Nothing happened here, bros. Connected accounts. Okay, there are a lot here. Veloci network staging, this was working already. And here's the ID. This is ready to use. So let's gonna change merchant, the creators. So Daniel is gonna use this merchant override here. Okay, let's use this Medellin Car Club and let's change the Stripe account ID to this one. Fees 50, currency USD, and save. Save and save. Okay, now it's going to try to process the payment on behalf of another account. Payment processing is not available. Please contact Daniel. Okay, this is nice. Payment processing is not available. This is an error from our platform. Yeah. Not found. Merchant status in ready to use. Okay, I didn't change the status. My fucking bad. Merchant. Medellin Car Club. I don't know which one was, but I'll change both. I don't remember which one. I think it was this one. Okay, failed to create payment customer. The account was a test account created with a test demo key and therefore can only be used with test mode keys. That means that we are not in test mode in staging and we probably are in a pre-prod sandbox. Holy fuck, man. Too many accounts. Too many steps. Get started. Connect. We are testing in a sandbox. Changes to make here don't affect your live account. Okay. Customize. Sellers will collect payment directly. Buyers will purchase from you. This one. Review. I acknowledge. Yes, yes, yes. How will sellers be paid out? Sellers will pay out individually. Payouts can be split between sellers. No, individually. Select the industry that best match your business. Ticketing, crowds and demands, e-commerce products. Continue. Looks like I need to create a certificate for me. I cannot create it because the permissions, I think. Uy, bro. Later. Later, my bros. Motherfucker, Nesgo, you are there and you are not saying hi in my stream, motherfucker. Are the products and services offered by sellers similar? Yes, they are similar. No, they are different. Less than 10,000. Onboarding hosted by Stripe. Embedded onboarding components hosted by Stripe. Express dashboard. Continue. Okay, now connect. Connected accounts. Let's create an account. Receive, transfer to the Stripe balance. Yes. Email Daniel plus test preprod at topcars.io. Who pays the fees? Your platform. No. No. How do I edit this shit? Test phone number, test code. Hi. Papá, escucha un noise duro. Yeah, I know. It's my vent. Now it doesn't. But I am going to start sweating a lot because it's so fucking hot in here. It was a giant, like, vent. Legal name. Test 1, test 2, test.com. Not a bad doer. Really? It has to be a literal account? Fuck me, man. Fuck me. What? Why is asking me for authentication again? Not sure where these keys are coming from, but seems like... Oh shit. Sandbox environment is using production credentials. Oh man. Fuck me. Oopsie. So we need to change the credentials so we can yep, that's the key. Okay, no worries, we will use the sandbox test mode. So we will copy this and we will put it in the sandbox environment. cd TopCars nano.mdev. Let's change this publishable secret. I think that's pretty much it. All we need right now. So the publishable key will be this one, and then the secret key will be this one. That's it. Oh shit, did I change it? Yes, I changed it. Now let's restart the server. Okay, now it's gonna use this dev environment. Okay, now it will be different. Nah, let's go, boys! Working. So we have a payment, and it should work in the app as well. It didn't break, it didn't break, it didn't break, it didn't break yet. But it's not doing anything. Okay, 200, so it created the order. And now what? Present payment if possible. Something, I think this one is null. Let's see. Yes. No, it's not null. Present shift if needed. Oh, payment sheet. This is null. No, it's not null. Why is not presenting the sheet? Where is my cloud, bro? Let's see if ChatGPT can fix it, guys. One step closer, one step closer. I need to create a Stripe account, a personal Stripe account to make $1 payments, I guess, so I can test in production. Oh shit, but I need my... No, I don't need to create a Stripe account. I need to create an creator account. TopCars account is one thing, Daniel is another thing. Yeah. Juanaco, you don't need a certificate. The whole application runs in the simulator, by the way. And I fixed the previews and everything. Let's see if this works. 8 o'clock, guys. I've not slept for hours, for days. Didn't sleep anything yesterday. Didn't sleep too much past yesterday. I am exhausted, to be honest. And I need to drive. Guys, I think I'm gonna go. I'm gonna head out, otherwise I'm gonna pass the way and I don't want any accidents. So I will leave my stream for now. I will see you tomorrow. Just let's test if this works. Nah, it didn't. Fuck me. But it's creating the order, so we are one step closer. Tomorrow I'll try to fix this in the morning and come here with this already fixed. So see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining. Thanks so much for being with me. Juanaco, tomorrow we discuss some tasks that I need you to do. In the meantime, just learn the code, check the code base, and run the app in the simulator. And see you everyone tomorrow. Okay? Thanks so much, guys. Love you all. Bye.